Former President Rodrigo Duterte loses his cool at former Senator Antonio Trillanes during the House Quad Committee hearing on war against drugs.
Pero sabi ko kung if I'm lying or if my statements are falsely stated, or if there is an iota of magbigti ako. So, in the same manner na kung magbigti ako si Trillanes, dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
Ito pong dokumentong ito po yung naging basis ko nung plunder case na final ko kay Duterte noong 2016. At ito po ay inimbestigahan ng Ombudsman. At ang Deputy Ombudsman, Arthur Carandang, siya ang nag-conduct ng investigation. Humingi siya ng dokumento sa AMLAC at kinonfirm niya. And because of that, tinanggal ni Duterte si Deputy Ombudsman. Nagsabi na yan siya na magbibigay siya ng waiver. Puro bluff yan. Pero hindi. Kaya nga, mas maganda kung madraft na po natin yan ngayon para papirmahan niya yan dito. No? Para wala ng alibay. Pero ito po, I'll be presenting later on, Mr. Chairman, a video of his actual admission of these accounts. The smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte crime family.
President be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko sa publiko.
Hindi. Wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabi
Please observe proper decorum. We are in a committee hearing. We have already stressed from the very beginning